What's up guys, and thank you for tuning back into my channel for another video. Today's topic, we're going to talk about manifestation boxes, what they're used for, and how to create your very own manifestation box. Keep watching this video and give me a thumbs up if you like it. Leave me a comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe. Manifestation box. What is it? What do you do with it? Keep watching guys to find out. Alright guys, so this is a manifestation box. A manifestation box is pretty much a box that you would want to use to put things into, such as peace. This symbolizes peace, so I'm going to put peace into my manifestation box, and I'm going to throw it out there into the universe and watch it manifest itself. Whenever you want to bring a thought into reality and throw it out there into the universe and watch it happen. I'm going to use this manifestation box to work on my savings. So I intend to put my weekly savings goals into this box on a weekly basis so I can track it and throw that out there into the universe. All right guys, so these are all the supplies that you need to create your manifestation box. You really just need a shoebox of any kind, any type of box. It could be an Amazon Prime box, any type of box, some scissors, and some duct tape. I'm using duct tape. You can use paint or markers or anything that you want to decorate your box with. The most important thing when creating your manifestation box is to choose things that speak to you and grab your attention. That's the only way it's going to be effective. So I went to Walmart last night and I found these very interesting patterns and colors of duct tape to use. So I will be working with these, and this is my box and these are my savings. So we got all our supplies, so let's get started manifesting our dreams and turning them into a reality. So I'm just going to start with my yellow duct tape. So I don't know, it was just something about this yellow duct tape that spoke to me, so I just grabbed it and I was like, oh yeah, I'm going to use that when creating my manifestation box. So I'm going to start with just lining the duct tape up to the edge of the box and then just pressing it down like this. Take my scissors, snip, snip. So yeah, like I said before, some people do certain things to kind of envision where they see themselves and some of the things that they want. And I mean, vision boarding is cool, but this year I'm going to try to make this manifestation box because I feel like I can set this on my dresser. I can take it wherever I want to take it to. I can leave it in my car. I can bring it to my office. Like, I can create this box and take it with me and just see it everywhere. And it's just a reminder of the things that I'm going to manifest that are inside of the box. Whether it's cash, whether it's a picture of a new car, whatever you want, you know, you can just manifest it and throw it out there into the universe and watch it come, watch it swing back. So it's probably easier if you just cut it into strips first and then place it. Like so. All right, that makes it a little easier. So I'm going to cut it and place it. All right, this is what it's looking like so far with just the yellow up there. I'm just going to keep going, cutting duct tape and placing it. And I decided to go with duct tape because I felt like it is really easy to work with and really easy to apply color easily to things, and it's also durable too. I felt like I can throw this box around and it won't rip, tear, it'll be protected by the duct tape. So what are some of the things that you guys want to manifest with your manifestation box? So definitely let me know in the comment section below, because I do read every single comment that you guys leave me. I'm a small YouTuber, so I am developing my audience, and it's really important for me to get engaged with my community and my audience to kind of see what it is that you guys like or don't like. So yeah, I read the comments, and I really do appreciate like all the comments that you guys leave me, so thank you for that. Good or bad. Luckily, I don't get a lot of bad comments, but I mean, it can happen. So my strategy here is to just cut the pieces of duct tape and place them on the box. I'm kind of starting with the top first and this side here, and then I'm going to do the bottom. Continue to cut more pieces of duct tape off. Line my box. Get it as close to the box and as flat as possible so it's smooth. And I don't know, something about this yellow really just spoke to me. It's vibrant. I can put it in my room and I could just look at it every day like, wow, that's my manifestation box. Let me take a look at it, let me use it, let me put things that I want to come to life and become real into this box. So one of the things that I'm going to manifest, or something that I talk about a lot on this channel, is saving money and bringing that into my reality. So I'm going to use my manifestation box as a money box, essentially, to put money into it. Which is going to allow me to save more, hopefully. I'm pretty sure it will. Like I said, this is going to be a really bright box. So I want to wake up first thing in the morning and be like, oh, that's my manifestation box. Let me use it. Let me put more money into it and manifest that into my reality so I can reach my savings goals and hopefully become a part of the FIRE community. Duct tape is so fun. This is really fun to work with. And it's easy. And it's also like no mess. That's another thing. Because painting sometimes can get really messy. Have paint everywhere. Then you gotta clean up. So duct tape is just a really easy way to put on something, make it look nice, and not have anything to clean up when you're done. So I would advise you to use duct tape. All right, so this is what we're looking like so far. So I got the whole top side of the box done. It's this really vibrant, bright yellow color. So now I'm gonna work my way on the bottom here, and then on this side, which goes under the box. And obviously you wanna make sure that your box still opens, because we're gonna use this at the end of the day. So this is, honestly, that's why I like this idea more than the vision board, in my opinion. This is something functional that I can use and interact with and really do action, put it into action. I think when you can put things into action, then it becomes a habit and then you're more inclined to do it. So I'm gonna open and close this box. I'm gonna put my money in here that I'm gonna be saving, which is what I want to manifest. So yeah, you can just use it and it's functional. It functions. All right, so we're gonna keep duct taping, and I'm gonna continue my strategy of cutting the duct tape first, and then just placing it on the box. And I don't think it's necessary to duct tape inside the box, but it's your manifestation box, and if you want the inside to be yellow or whatever color you choose, you can definitely do that. Make it your own. want to line the duct tape up as neat and as evenly as possible. You don't want any gaps because nobody wants that. Just want to make it even. Make it even. Even, Stevens. Make it even. Continue to put more pieces of duct tape off. Line my box. Get it as close to the box and as flat as possible so it's smooth. I'm definitely going to use this and turn my thoughts into reality by using my manifestation box. Duct tape is noisy. So some of the things that you can put into your manifestation box could be pictures of affirmations, could be physical objects such as money or coins into your manifestation box. So you can take a physical item, an item of sentiment, something visual, and just put it into your manifestation box. And I'm just making sure I seal it completely with duct tape. And again, the easiest way to do this is to cut the duct tape into strips first, and then just place it around your shoe box, your Amazon Prime box, any box that you want to use. Just make sure it sticks to you. Continue to put my duct tape on. It could be a big box, it can be a little box. It can also be a wooden box too. You can use different materials. Gonna seal it up. Like so. Okay, so I think it's completely covered in my base color, which is the yellow. So I'm going to move. Oh, let me just fix this right here. All right, sweet. Okay, cool, so it's all in yellow, so I'm going to move into this cool leopard print that I found. Again, I got all of this from Walmart. You can get duct tape pretty much anywhere. The most important thing is just to get something that speaks to you and calls your name and will make you want to use it. Makes you feel good inside, it makes you feel happy, it makes it feel like you're attracted to it. Whatever attracts you. Think of the laws of attraction. So this sheet of print attracted me to it. So I'm gonna stick with it. I'm gonna roll with it, and I'm gonna use it on my manifestation box. I'm just gonna use this to go around the shrimp of the box. Probably wanna make sure that it still opens. And just You can also place handwritten notes or messages inside of your manifestation box. It doesn't have to be necessarily just something like a picture or like money. You can also like write out a script of where you see yourself in the next couple of months, or things that you would want to verbally write out, like maybe like a job promotion. Try to be as detailed as possible when you're writing it, and just put it inside of your box and give the universe time to work and manifest itself. Alright, and as always guys, thank you for watching this video. Please be sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Let me know in the comments below what you think about manifestation boxes and how do you use your manifestation boxes, and do you prefer this method over a vision board? Definitely let me know. I'm always excited to read the comments, and thank you for watching this video. Until next time.